Unlock your dog's full potential with brain training for dogs. Introduction, 0 o'clock to 0:30. Background music fades in, fun and upbeat. Subtitles at bottom centered throughout the entire video. Narrator, is your dog misbehaving or lacking mental stimulation? It's time to unlock their full potential with brain training for dogs. In this video, we'll show you how this revolutionary program can transform your dog's behavior while keeping them mentally sharp and engaged. Stay tuned to learn more. Text overlay, unlock your dog's potential with brain training for dogs. What is brain training for dogs? 0:30 to 1:30. Narrator, Brain Training for Dogs is an online program that uses scientifically proven techniques to improve your dog's behavior and intelligence. It's designed to help with common issues like excessive barking, digging, leash pulling, and more. This isn't just obedience training, it's about boosting your dog's cognitive abilities through fun and engaging activities. Stock footage of dogs playing, following commands, and interacting with their owners. Narrator, the program focuses on mental exercises that challenge your dog's brain, helping them become more obedient and well-behaved in the process. Keywords: brain training for dogs, dog behavior, obedience training, mental stimulation for dogs, improved dog intelligence. How brain training works, 1:30 to 3, Suluro. Narrator, so how does brain training for dogs work? It's a step-by-step guide with easy-to-follow exercises that use positive reinforcement to teach your dog new skills. These activities not only improve obedience but also reduce problem behaviors, making your dog more responsive and focused. Visuals of dogs learning tricks, doing mental exercises, and being rewarded. Narrator, the program is suitable for all breeds and ages, from puppies to older dogs. Whether your dog needs a mental challenge or you're just trying to correct unwanted behavior, Brain Training for Dogs has you covered. Keywords: dog training program, positive reinforcement, solve dog behavior problems, teach dogs new skills, dog training for all breeds. Why Brain Training for Dogs is different, 3 o'clock to 4, yes. Narrator, unlike traditional dog training methods, Brain Training for Dogs focuses on mental stimulation. By challenging your dog's brain, you'll notice a significant improvement in their behavior and obedience. No harsh corrections or punishments, just fun, rewarding exercises that strengthen the bond between you and your dog. Footage of dogs enjoying training, interacting positively with their owners. Narrator, plus the program is completely online, so you can access it anytime, anywhere, and at your own pace. Keywords: dog training online, mental stimulation, fun dog training, strengthen dog-owner bond, positive dog training. Success stories and benefits, 4 o'clock to 5. Narrator, thousands of dog owners have seen incredible results with Brain Training for Dogs. From better behavior to improved focus, this program has transformed countless dogs and their relationships with their owners. Show testimonials and clips of dogs that have completed the training. Narrator, one owner said, "My dog was out of control, but after following the brain training program, he's calm, obedient, and so much happier." These success stories are why Brain Training for Dogs is the top choice for so many dog lovers. Keywords: success stories, dog training testimonials, behavior improvement, dog transformation. How to get started with Brain Training for Dogs, 5 o'clock to 5:30. Narrator, ready to transform your dog's behavior? It's easy to get started. Just click the link in the description or visit bit.ly/3agstrav to access Brain Training for Dogs today. Your dog will love these fun, engaging activities. Text on screen. Click the link now, bit.ly/3agstrav. Keywords: get started with Brain Training for Dogs, improve dog behavior, dog training program. Call to action and end screen, 5:30 to 6. Narrator, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on dog training and care. Hit the subscribe button now or visit bit.ly/42l6 to join our community. Text on screen. Subscribe now, bit.ly/4a. Narrator, thanks for watching and good luck with your dog's brain training journey. End screen with clickable options. Watch next video vertical bar. Subscribe now. YouTube video description. Title: Unlock your dog's full potential with Brain Training for Dogs. Description: is your dog misbehaving or needing mental stimulation? Brain Training for Dogs is the perfect solution. This online training program uses scientifically proven techniques to improve your dog's behavior and intelligence through fun, engaging exercises. In this video, we'll show you how brain training for dogs works, its benefits, and how you can get started today. Thousands of dog owners have already seen incredible results. Now it's your turn. Start training your dog here. Subscribe for more dog training tips. Keywords: brain training for dogs, dog training, dog behavior, mental stimulation, positive dog training, improved dog behavior, dog obedience training, online dog training success stories. Tags: #dog training, #brain training for dogs, #dog behavior, #obedience training, #dog training success, #positive dog training, #dog mental stimulation, #happy dogs, #pet care.